When you own a motorcycle, what do you do on a day with weather like today? You install new fun products. That's what you do. What's up, Riders Nation? Today we got a very cool install. The Santoro Fabworx Not Your Daddy's Bag Guards. So let's cue the intro and get to it. It's Christmas morning in the Riderz Nation garage. I'm trying not to cut my finger off. Anybody want any paper? I can send it to you. Okay, that's it. That's the entire video. Have a good day. Come back tomorrow and we'll think about putting these together. Just kidding. Santoro Fabworx definitely wraps these up really well. I don't think they're going to get delivered scratched, that's for sure. One down. And that's two. All right, here is everything that comes in the box with some cool stickers and a little thing that says, scan the code for product information and installation. So I was really nervous that it didn't come with directions. First thing we got to do is take both saddlebags off, take the seat off, and take the side covers off. So we're going to do that now. All right, so first thing we got to do is cut this bar right here. So we're going to measure this, hopefully once. Cut it, hopefully once. So we're going to measure. It just said we're going to measure, didn't I? According to Santoro Fabworx, about 3 inches after the bend. We're going to use our trusty green masking tape. No other YouTube channel has green masking tape. I'm sure of it. The only reason why we're putting tape here is number 1, to mark the area, and number 2, to make it as clean of a cut as possible. And since I have experience of screwing stuff up, we're gonna remeasure and find out that we were a little short for some reason. So we're gonna do it again. Measure twice, cut once. I've seen this cut with about 5 or 6 different tools. For us today, we're gonna use a pipe cutter. $20 from Home Depot. I don't really have any reason for it. They all equally look as easy or difficult. I just thought this was the cheapest way for me to do it. So let's find out if I'm right. On second thought, pipe cutter didn't work. So now we brought out the big guns. So just before we go any farther, I did put something here to protect the pipe. It wasn't very hard to cut through that. Don't be a little bit. You want to destroy the pipes. Take this bolt out. And that's it. So we got to take this bolt out of the top of the frame right here that's under the seat. Need a little blue Loctite. So blue Loctite, keep them both loose. You're gonna have to move them around a little bit. And now we're gonna tighten them up. And now it's cha-cha time. So once we got the right tools, it took about 15 minutes to put this side on from start to finish. And it was relatively easy to do, I would say. So a couple things on Santoro Fabworx YouTube channel is where you get all the instructions for how to put this on. It says don't force this screw in because of the powder coating. I didn't have a problem on this side. Let's pray I don't have a problem on the other side. And other than that, leave both bolts loose so you can wiggle them and get them in the hole. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we're going to do this side. And we're going to put the bike back together and be done for today. Alright, that's it. Santoro Fabworx Nacho Daddy Saddlebag guards. So about $485, $495 plus the Chacho upgrade. Chacho upgrade is about $125. I don't think I would have done it if I had to do it over again, but I definitely love the bars. I love the look of it, the function and feel of it. On a scale of 1 to 10 of how difficult it is to install, I would give it 3, maybe a 3. Other than having to use a power tool and cutting, it's relatively simple. I think anybody can do it. And as I've said before, if I can do it, you sure as hell can do it. So I definitely think the Santoro Fabworx saddlebag guards work well with my new Harley flat out bar. that I had installed. So I think that looks good. And I gotta admit, I do like the orange accents. I just don't think they're worth $125, $150, but to each his own. I did it. I don't dislike them. I just don't know that they're worth it, but it's too late for that anyway. Alright, so that's gonna do it for me today. I'm gonna put some pictures up above my head from Santoro Fabworx website with the prices and your options. And then I'll put up somewhere here some other install videos. If you like this video, please smash that like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think of the Not Yo Daddy Saddlebag guards. Drop it in the comments below. And until next time, be safe and live the dream.